it's Harmony and Kashi. I wanted to say hi. She's being silly right now. I think she wants a cookie right off the bat here. Let's get you a cookie, huh? There you go. Yeah, she's my best little helper buddy. Can you believe she's 12 and a half years old right now? Oh, so sweet and beautiful. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to touch base with you guys to let you know why you haven't seen me in the videos recently. I had about 20 precancerous cells zapped off my face with liquid nitrogen, and I was just super embarrassed to be in front of everyone. My face was really red and it was not looking pretty. Thankfully, I have a fun hubby, Mikey, who would call me a gremlin or a garbage pail kid to actually get me laughing and lift up my spirits. But they were just red and they took a few weeks to heal, and so finally they're better and we're back, and we're gonna be making some more videos for all of you to enjoy. So I'd love to hear about what you guys would like for me to do. I need a little inspiration from all of you. I really love interacting with all of our customers, and yeah, it just brings me so much joy to help everyone make something beautiful for themselves or the people in their lives that they want to make jewelry for. So if you could just let me know what you would like to see from me. How can I help you in the best way possible? And I genuinely mean that, because the other day I even had a customer call me and just a little upset that she bought some round stones from us, some Swarovski crystal round stones, and she hadn't been able to find any settings that would work for her. So she was bummed, and I got off the phone with her and I did some research, and I found a couple companies that had what she was looking for, and then I also told her about some Cerulean glue. It's actually an epoxy clay that can be molded into anything, any kind of setting you might need, and really easy to work with, comes in a lot of different colors, and you can just pop your crystals right in there. And she was so sweet. She sent me the sweetest letter. I wanted to share with you what she said. Hello, Harmony. Thank you so much for graciously helping me in my search for settings for my crystals. You were the most helpful of anyone I spoke to and were actually able to help me find a solution for my problem. Yay! I was able to find settings through the site you found and will now be able to use the crystals I have. I appreciate your wonderful customer service and willingness to help and actually follow through. I will not hesitate to use your company again in the future. Thank you. Yay! So that's just, it's really the joy of my life to help people find what they want and love what they create. So help me to help you find something that you would love to create. Reach out, let me know how I can help you in the best way. And wear your sunscreen. I've realized how important it is to wear sunscreen. It's summertime. Let's all be wearing our sunscreen every day. Huh. And you were such a good girl. Let's give Kashi another little cookie. How about it? Okay, everyone, keep smiling, keep shining. We love you. You guys are the best customers around. Thanks so much for everything. Bye.